This channel is gaining millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars. I plan to guide you through the comprehensive process of creating a similar channel using advanced artificial intelligence technologies to automate full production, including script writing, visual effects, and voice acting. So if your interest is to get passive income, let us figure out each stage of this down. Let us start this fascinating journey to successfully create your channel. First step: Chat GPT. The first step will be to turn to the GPT chat with a request for a hint to generate not just 10, but as many as 20 unique and picturesque names for animals living in the forest. As soon as these names are created, we enter this set into the GPT chat, which in turn will offer the generation of phrases "good night" for each of these animals based on their environment and individual characteristics. The result exceeds expectations, creating an amazing foundation for your content. Second step: create an image. Leonardo AI. The second step will be to create visual images for each of these unique characters. To do this, go to the Leonardo AI platform, where you will find a free plan with the allocation of 150 tokens per day. After registration, select a model, for example MP Pastel Dream, and start the image generation process. Following this, we ask the GPT chat to create cute cartoon versions of the proposed animals. We copy and paste the results in Leonardo's AI. Adjust the aspect ratio to 6:9 and click generate. As a result, we get not only amazing but also visually attractive images. Now that we have a collection of these fascinating images, we upload them using the appropriate button on the platform. However, to give these images even more life and attractiveness. Third step: voiceover. 11 Lab. We will add voice accompaniment to them. We move on to 11 Labs, where we register and choose from a variety of male or female voices from different countries. Thus your content will have not only visual splendor but also an attractive sound. Thus this whole integrated process using artificial intelligence will allow you to create a video that is not only automated but also high quality in every aspect. Next in my plan is to switch to Chat GPT to copy the phrase from here. Then I will go to 11 Labs. Insert this phrase there and click the generate button after successfully generating the voice file. I will eagerly upload it by simply clicking on the appropriate button. Thus I have at my disposal not only the necessary images created using artificial intelligence but also the voiceover generated by Chat GPT. Now equipped with these elements. Fourth step: choose music. Pixabay. I'm going to start creating the final version of a YouTube video using the Canva platform. However, before starting this exciting process, it is necessary to choose a suitable musical atmosphere. To do this, I'm heading to Pixabay, where after successful registration I will be able to choose from an extensive collection of calm and relaxing music. After choosing my option, I upload a music file. But this is not the end of my creative process. I'm trying to give a special flavor to my video, and that's why I'm moving on to the sound effects section in Canva. Here I focus on the sound effect of crickets chirping, pre-loaded from Pixabay. This sound element is designed to create an atmosphere of nature and a cozy forest environment. Fifth step: Canva. The next stage of my path leads me to Canva, where I'm looking for the necessary tools to edit the final version of my YouTube video. By selecting the YouTube videos option and creating a blank canvas, I find myself on the download page. Here I post images previously created using artificial intelligence technology. Having organized them on the canvas, I add a voiceover, giving the video not only a visual but also an auditory aspect. However, to ensure harmony and smoothness of caption, I pay attention to the fact that the transitions between the images seem somewhat sharp at this moment. In Canva, I am using the transition effect selection function to make this process more natural and attractive to the viewer. Here Canva provides a wide range of effects, and I choose to dissolve the transition to create a smooth transition between frames. I'm also attentive to the issue of sound. I add background music and the sound effect of crickets chirping, adjusting the volume of each of them so that they match perfectly with the voiceover. After all these steps, I don't miss the opportunity to add effect to the video by adding animation elements to the images. Animation parameters can be studied by clicking the appropriate option. Completing this creative process, I click share and upload. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.